Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video mag-solve tayo guys ng algebra problem under the topic distance rate problem. Okay? A car 5 meters long is to overtake a truck 10 meters long and traveling at 72 kilometers per hour. How fast must the car travel to completely pass the truck in 3 seconds? Okay? So, meron ditong term na binanggit na which is to uh, completely pass the track. So, ibig sabihin, ganito yung initial setup ng ating problem. Okay? So, let's say ito yung car. Okay, dito. 5 meters long. Box lang muna, no? Wala mo ng gulong. Okay? Since, yun nga, sabi ko, to completely pass, so initially, ang position ng car and truck ay ganito. So, ito yung car, then yung truck is ahead. Okay? Yan. Okay? So, after some time, okay, the car will travel no, at a certain distance. Then also the truck. Kaso meron diyang yung completely pass. Pag sinabing completely pass no, okay, kasi 'di ba may overtaking point na pag overtake kasi, bale kung ito yung dalawang point mo na naghahabulan, pag overtake kasi, okay, same yung point na 'to. Okay, same yung distance travel, ganyan, or same yung position. But pag completely pass, okay, you have to include the dimension of the object na 5 meters long and then 10 meters long. Yan, 5 meters yan and ito ay 10 meters. Okay? So, let's say andito yung truck. Okay, after some time. Okay? That means na para maging completely pass, okay, dapat yung buong 5 meters nitong car is nakalagpas doon sa may 10 meters lang na truck. Okay? Hindi yung ganito guys mali yan. Hindi yung completely pass, no? Overtake pa lang yan. Okay? Pag completely pass, so yung car natin, andito na siya. Okay? So guys na. So, 5 meters. Okay. So, sabi dyan, no, it will completely pass na after 3 seconds. Okay, so remember na yung distance traveled, okay, pag constant yung ating speed, okay, distance mo is rate, okay, times the time. Okay, let's say the rate of the 5 meters long car is x. Okay, so it travels the speed of x na kp h. So, after 3 seconds, ano yung kanyang distance traveled na? Okay? So, ito yung distance travel. Ang titingnan mo lang naman dyan is yung point. Okay? Na nasa unahan ng car. Ito. Tsaka ito. Yung position yan. Same for the truck. So, ito yung point natin. Tingnan mo, no? Okay? Na nag-travel. Ayan. Balik tayo doon. So, after 3 seconds, ito yung kanya na-travel na distance. Okay? So, since the distance is the rate times time, bali ito is x. Okay? X. Okay, multiply by the time. Since naka-seconds to, so para maging hour siya, i-divide mo siya ng 3,600. Since in 1 hour, meron tayong 3,600 seconds. So, times 3 over 3,600. Okay? Similarly, okay, if the truck is traveling at 72 kph, okay, ano naman distance travel ng truck? Okay, ito. After 3 seconds. Siyempre, the rate, 72 times the time na 3 over 3,600. Okay, now gagawin tayo ng equation. Okay, that relates the distances traveled by the car and the truck. Okay, um, si car, so ito na yung x times 3 over 3,600. But how about the truck? Di ba ito yung travel niya? 72 times 3 over 3,600. So, ipapantay mo lang siya dito na. Okay? So, dapat ano yung magiging equal dito? Okay? So, add mo lang 'tong 10, okey, tsaka yung 5, okey, para maging equal dito. Yan, may equation ka na siyempre na okey. So, yung ating equation is x times 3 over 3,600. Okey, ito yung para sa car. Okey, habol sa truck, meron tayong 10. Okey, ito gawin mo rin siyang kilometers 'no, since yung speed mo kilometers per hour, so divide mo siya ng 1,000. Okey, ito rin 'no, over 1,000. Okey, so 10 over 1,000, okey, plus 72, okey, times 3 over 3,600, okey, plus 15 over, um, over 1,000. Ay, sa'kin, that should be 5 only 'no. Okey, 5 over 1,000, then solve for x. Okey, 'yan. So, 3x over 3,600, okey, 10, 15, 10, 5, 15. 15 over 1,000, then plus, okey, 3 times 2, 6, 7, 21. So, 216 over 3,600. Okey. I-multiply natin guys ng 3,600 both sides. So, 3x equal to 3,600 over 1,000 is 3.6. Then 15 times 3.6 is 54. Okay? So, plus 216. Okay? So, plus 216 sa 54 is 270. So, therefore, yung ating x is 270 over 3 or equal to 90. Okay? Since x is the speed of the car required in kilometers per hour, so our answer is 90 kilometers per hour, which is letter A. Okay? So that's all guys. Now, thank you and have a good day.